him!
Our leader's returned!
Sir!
Leader!
Few days, and there's already Esslings here? How dare they? Huh? A human, a Fey-Wish sprite, and a cat? That's rare.
I'm Nikki, and these are my friends, Momo and Jiroda.
Nikki the stylist. I've heard about you. Your name is all over Stoneville. You did well just now. What reward do you want?
We want to reach the Stone Crown, so we need your help to feed the Catapult Seal King.
I can't allow you to go to the Stone Crown.
Why?
The Wish Collector is in grave danger. We were told that he went to the Stone Crown. I have to bring him back.
The Stone Crown has fallen. The Volunteer Corps base was attacked by a powerful, corrupted monster. Now, the Volunteer Corps is completely cut off. What's more, Esslings are spreading throughout the abandoned district. I found out just in time, and repelled those near the Stone Dew Flora. Everything happening is extremely odd. And with that huge monster, going to the Stone Crown now means certain death.
Nikki, do we really have to go?
Maybe we should figure out a thorough plan first.
The Volunteer Corps was our most powerful enemy. If they're really defeated... I'm starting to get scared.
No. The Volunteer Corps are guardians. They can't be defeated. Stop talking nonsense, Fey-Wish sprite!
Thankfully, they have that hard-nosed commander. They should be able to hold out. I need to find a way to contact the Stylists Guild. As for the Wish Collector, that's a challenge.
But I need the Wish Collector as soon as possible. Finally, I collected a room full of shredded fabric. I'll patch up this big hole with premium Florgale cloth. Then I can help. I can fight powerful enemies.
It won't work. Raggy, your wish can't come true. D'Artagnan won't leave the Stone Crown alive.
Please allow us to go to the Stone Crown. No. Just send me. At least let me go there. Let them shred me. I just want to fight for myself.
Nonsense! I suppose it's finally time. I tell you the truth. There is no such thing as premium Florgale cloth. There is no ability outfit that can make it either. It's a lie.
How can that be?
Back then, the Volunteer Corps used premium Florgale cloth as an excuse to not accept you. At that time, with your wishes crushed, your body and spirit were on the brink of collapse. I was forced to turn to the Volunteer Corps to give you a reason to live.
But in reality, what you gave Raggy was false hope built around a lie. That's just too cruel.
So, everything I've been pursuing is a dream that will never come true?
I never imagined you'd collect an entire room full of shredded fabric. Your aptitude and grit exceeded the requirements of the Volunteer Corps. But no matter how hard you try, they won't let you join. That is the cruel truth.
You're making fun of me. And my wishes, aren't you?
It's time to give it up, Raggy. You have no reason to go to the Stone Crown.
I can't give up. I won't give up!
Raggy! Sir,
The imaginary premium Florgale cloth would patch up Raggy's tear, and the tears in all of our hearts. But it's all just a fabrication. Maybe I was wrong.
It doesn't matter. Right now, Raggy needs our support. I'll go check on him.
You're right. When he's upset, he goes alone to the stone steles at the very top.
Nikki, let's check out the stone steles at the top.
Nikki.
The stone steles. They were set by the forgotten pieces. We carved the fragments of memories we could recall. The precious memories gathered from our time as pieces, and also our deepest wishes. One time, I carved my own wish here to become a guardian. Is a guardian. Some words can't be seen because of this hole. Even though I've forgotten everything, I still believe these few words relate to my owner and the wish that gave me life.
So, Raggy was born from cloth that had "Is a Guardian" written on it.
And the Volunteer Corps are guardians? Is that why you keep trying to join?
Yes, in Stonewoods, only the Volunteer Corps are referred to as guardians. They protect the secret of the artifact, as well as all PCs. Volunteer Corps member is a guardian. In order to fill in that blank, I keep persisting. I can't accept it. I refuse.
I'm curious. Guardians. Do they have to look a certain way?
I was also wondering. From the viewpoint of the Feywish sprites, the Volunteer Corps aren't guardians. They're the thieves who stole the artifact. For us, the guardians are the paladins of the Wishmaster.
From what I see, whether it's protecting Beanie from bullies, confronting the captain of the Paladins, tirelessly patching up everyone's wounds, or being determined to reach the Stone Crown alone, Raggy is already a guardian.
However, when he ignores his friends and only focuses on joining the Volunteer Corps, he's not being much of a guardian. What is a guardian? What goes in the blank? It might be that the only true answer lies within Raggy himself.
Within myself? I've never thought about it before. But during our adventures together, I've come to realize something. I adore Stonewoods. I love the wheat fields, the bustling market, the choo-choo trains. And I also cherish the tranquil stone steles.
I like it here too. Gliding in Stonewoods reminds me of the countryside outside my hometown.
I also really like Nikki and Momo. You two are the best adventure companions. No matter what happens, we'll forge ahead together. I'm honored to call myself a misfit. Thank you.
Misfit? What's a misfit? I want to be one. Welcome to the club. You definitely have what it takes to be a member.
I think I get it. Even if I can't join the Volunteer Corps or find the wish that brought me to life, I have something better, a powerful wish, all of my own. I can't let corrupted monsters trample this land or hurt my friends.
That's the spirit. Guardians or not, we'll go to the Stone Crown together.
Nikki, have you figured out a good plan?
What we need more than a plan is determination. No matter what, we have to bring Louise's father back. We also need to capture the Prophet and resolve the coma case. Then we need to acquire the miracle outfit. Momo, we need to be determined.
This just sounds like not having a plan.
But with determination, we can pull it off. And with all the misfits together, nothing can get in our way. Here's the hat I designed for our group. Until now, I thought I'd never have the chance to use it. But now, Nikki, Momo, Dorota, I want you to have it. And then we'll head to the Stone Crown together.
Okay, let's go!
We'll head to the gliding station for the Stone Crown.
Come on, misfits! Move out!
To the Stone Crown! Let's go! Sir,
I was the one who was wrong, so why are you stuttering? Speak your mind.
yes, sir. Sir, we're still going to the Stone Crown. Don't try to stop us!
I see. You're determined.
You're willing to give us a chance?
Young lady, that's not what I said.
But sir, isn't your plan to ask the Stylist Guild to help fight the corrupted monster? It's not that complicated. You have a stylist right here.
You? Young lady, you're just a junior stylist.
I'm also rising quickly. Before I left, Dada, the head of the Stylist Guild herself, tasked me with the coma case investigation. So, I'm the investigator appointed by the Stylist Guild. Even if you contact them now, they wouldn't send anyone else.
I see you've learned how to bluff.
Also, as far as I know, contacting the Stylist Guild in Florawish isn't easy for PCs. Isn't that right? Otherwise, you would have done it.
Fine, you're right. But first, you need to prove your styling skills to me. If you're really as good as you say, I'll help you feed the Catapult Seal King.
Awesome!
Nikki, you got this!
Nikki the rising stylist who claims to be an investigator, time to show me what you've got. I, as the leader of the Forgotten PCs, will decide the theme. The styling challenge theme will be Braveheart. I'll be examining your whim very strictly. Are you ready to go? Your whim is much more advanced than any rookie. No wonder the Stylists Guild entrusted a young lady like you. I will help you reach the Stone Crown, but even you don't have a good chance of winning against that corrupted monster. Be careful.
I'll be careful. My first hit will take it out. You'll see.
Well, that's one way to do it. Also, Raggy,
Yes, sir!
you finally understand. You know you can't join the Volunteer Corps, but you're still choosing to go to Stone Crown?
I used to see this big hole and the fate of the Forgotten as a question with only one answer. I truly believe some shredded fabric would solve everything. But now, I want to come up with my own answer.
If you want an apology, you'll have to wait until you get back. Stay alive, kid.
No need to apologize, sir. Oh, can you help me deliver some Floragale cloth to, Flora the choo-choo station attendant?
You're something. All right. I'll wait for you by the Catapult Seal King under the Stone Crown. After I've helped you feed it, I'll help you with that too.
So this is the stone crown.
Even standing under it, it feels so high.
Legends say the Silver Gale used to perch atop the stone crown, but I've never been up there to see for myself.
Here, have some super delicious fish jerky. Feeding this guy. It'd be easier to find 10 pieces of Floorgale cloth. Head to the summit. I'll head to the choo-choo station later.
Get lost! This is no place for you to wild out! Charge!
Shall we?
Never thought I'd go into battle with a famous sprite. Charge!
Huh?
Eh?
Huh?
Raggy!
I finally protected.
Dorota, get everyone out. Oh, I'll handle this one. I'm alive! Human! Thank you! How's Raggy?
He's been taken to a safe place, our temporary outpost. Our commander is overseeing to his treatment himself.
Greetings, Stylist. Thank you for saving the Volunteer Corps. I'm the commander, Cape Theo. Raggy is in bad shape. We use the best Floorgale cloth we have to patch him up, but you should prepare for the worst.
Raggy.
How did this happen? Nikki, Momo, Raggy was torn apart, trying to save me.
You were fighting for the Volunteer Corps and for the safety of the entire region. Don't blame yourselves. Stylist Nikki, I know this may not be a good time, but I need your help with something.
What is it?
I'm sure you know of the Wishing One's supreme artifact, the Orium Vase. Now, it's at risk of being stolen.
The Orium Vase. Is that its name? It really exists?
Guarding it is the responsibility of the Volunteer Corps. But now, it's at risk of being stolen. And we don't have the power to defend it. Stylist Nikki, I need you to go to the hiding place of the Orium Vase, bring it here, and deliver it to me. After that, the Volunteer Corps will protect it. With our very lives.
So where is it?
In the choo-choo train locomotive.
What? It's just hidden in plain sight?
It may look like a regular train, but don't underestimate it. It's actually an impenetrable vault chugging along under everyone's noses.
The train conductor's log mentions another wish collector appearing suddenly and getting close to him. If he is the Prophet, the Orium vase is the target.
We became aware of the Prophet after the train conductor fell into a coma. The corrupted monster rampage validates my theory again. Moments ago, we sent troops to the choo-choo station to activate the emergency plan. Soon the entire train will be under the protection of the Ghost Protocol. Even without the Volunteer Corps' protection, entering the locomotive will be near impossible. Nikki, you need to get the Orium vase earlier than this so-called Prophet. Only a powerful stylist like you can do it.
I get it now. Thank you for your trust.
If you're all going, I'll stay here with Raggy.
Thank you so much, Dorota. Oh, that's right. And there's one more thing. Commander, is D'Artagnan the Wish Collector at the Stone Crown?
He is, but he's also in a coma. It's truly amazing he made it here while semi-conscious. You can rest assured, though, here in the outpost, he's in good hands.
That's a relief. Finally, some good news.
This is a special token made by the Volunteer Corps. When the train attendant guarding the Orium vase sees this, they'll allow you to take the vase. Nikki, take this. Go to the choo-choo station. May the Silver Gale be with you.
What now? What now? Oh, should I go take a look?
What happened?
Human! Freeze!
It's okay. Cape Theo, commander of the Volunteer Corps, sent us. We're here to retrieve the Orium vase and bring it to them for safekeeping.
He gave us this special token as proof. Theo? I never expected him to send a human. You're just in time.
After the Volunteer Corps notified us, old Fanny Packy, our driver, got on the train to activate the Ghost Protocol and get the artifact out of here.
Just as old Fanny Packy went in, I heard Essling screeching from inside. I'm worried something happened to him before...
I have a purification ability. I can help him.
That's fantastic! No wonder Theo trusted you. I'll have to step up my game too. Human, I'll take you aboard the ghost train.
Train! It's starting! It's old Fanny Packy! The Ghost Protocol only activates when the train starts. He
Thank you. Who are you?
I'm Nikki. The Volunteer Corps sent me to retrieve the Orium vase. The commander gave me this token.
Oh. I recognize it. Luckily, I reacted in time. I knew his target was the Orium vase. I took it out long ago and kept it with me. All right. I'll leave it to you, human stylist. The supreme artifact of the Wishing One, the Orium vase. I've safeguarded it for many long centuries. It is a sacred artifact for all PCs. It's also borne witness to millennia of unfulfilled desires, of struggles and searching.
It's striking.
Wishes. They're such beautiful things.
Complete Wishful Arosa outfit is the Orium vase.
It's also the Prophet's goal. Although we got the Orium vase, we don't know where the Prophet went to.
He probably won't give up so easily. But first, we need to hurry up and return it. Momo, let's go.
One. It's all up to you now.
Consider it done.